Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to show you all my tricks on how to freeze a cake and make it last in your freezer so when you're ready to frost it, thaw it and frost it, it will be there for you. Because sometimes you don't want to bake a cake and then frost it all in one day or take 2 days. You don't have time. Busy, busy lives, right? Well, Taylor reached out to me and Taylor, this one's for you. So I just made these beautiful chocolate cake layers. I have 2 of them and I've already allowed them to cool. And what I love to do is I love to freeze them on cardboard cake circles. So this is a 9-inch cake. I actually have a 10-inch cake board, cake circle. I'm gonna cover it with foil. This way, after you freeze the cake, and you take the foil off, there may be a little layer of cake on it when you take it off, you can actually use the cardboard cake circle again. All right, so I've already cut around this with a knife. You can use a butter knife or a small sharp knife, and I've cut around it. And you're going to put the cake circle on the top, flip it over. All right, and I have a really good video on how to remove a cake from your cake pan. And we got nothing. We did pretty good. Now you see this? This was my liner, my parchment cake liner that I used to prevent the cake from sticking. Leave it on. Really important tip from me to you. You're welcome. Because this will keep freshness in, all right? So once you have that, we plastic wrap. So I'm gonna take one piece of plastic wrap and put it over. And you're gonna tuck it under really, really well and get a good plastic wrap that sticks. Some of them don't. And you wanna make sure that if you do remove your parchment circle that was on the bottom of your pan, you can always put some wax paper on top or another piece of parchment. And then you're gonna take another piece, go the opposite way so all holes are covered, go around and really tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck it in, tuck the baby in, all right? Now, most important and even more important than anything, so you remember what's in your freezer. Chocolate cake, the date, all right? Put it on, put it in your freezer and make sure nothing goes on top of it until it's solid frozen, probably a couple hours. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, Taylor. I hope many of you use these tips. I hope you become a subscriber. Till next time.